Let the beat go on. Hello, fellow investors. This is Monopoly Stocks, and I'm your host, Yes Monopoly. Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe and smash that like button. Today, we'll be talking about benefits of stock market crash. Today is March 5th, Friday. Wow, guys, what a week we had, right? I mean, what a month, actually. I mean, the whole market was crashing, everything was red. I mean, every single thing was red. So today we'll be talking about how we can benefit from the stock market crash. Okay, so before getting started, I want to let you know I'm not a financial advisor, and anything discussed on this channel is for entertainment purposes only. With that said, how we can benefit from the stock market crash. I remember this quote from Bruce Lee. It says, "To hell with the circumstances, I create my opportunities." So this can be put into perspective, or this can be used in every single life, right? I mean, every single step of the life. So let's put it to the stock market, right? And guys, we are investors. We think about the future, not the past, not anything. I mean, yeah, we base a company on the past, but we always are thinking. I mean, everybody says the stock market looks 6 months ahead of time, right? But we as investors, we are looking for the future. How we can what are we doing? We are investing for the future. So the benefits of market crash and how we can make money when we come out of this. How can we be stronger? So the first thing is, while the stock market crash, everything is on sale. Is that right, guys? Wow, when do we have sales? Right on Christmas, right? So what are the benefits? What do we do when everything is on sale? During the stock market crash, almost everything heads lower, and that just about on everything on sale. Rather than selling when a stock price is low and locking in losses, you have a chance to buy when the stock is on sale. The price you get during the stock market crash might be lower than what you have seen for years. If you had eye on a stock but haven't felt like it's a good price, a stock market crash can provide you a deal for what you're looking for, right? I saw this, like, a nice article on money money.usnews.com. I'll be posting the link at the bottom. So it has everything. So basically, when the stock market crash, everything is on sale. And the second benefit is the tax benefits, right? So how do you benefit from taxes? The best thing about, like, in the stock market is, let's just say you had losses this year, right? And it's about $10,000 you lost this year because the stock market was crashing and you sold some of the stocks. You can claim up to 3,000 of those losses. So that means you cut some of the losses, take that money and put it into the stocks what you like for long term, right? So so the benefit of this is, you took $10,000 loss, and out of that you can claim up to $3,000. But let's just say next year you make $50,000 profit because you bought the stocks, your favorite stock, at a lower price for a real good sale, and you can take that, like, you made $50,000, so now $3,000 you claimed for this year, so remaining is $7,000. So out of the $50,000, you're already, the $7,000 which you lost last year is taken out. So that means you can own the taxes. You're taxed only on $43,000. That means, what do you understand? So you're never gonna lose. That means whatever it is, you take losses or whichever it is, you can keep on putting it to the next year. And when you are make 1 year like really good money, those all can offset each other. So that's one of the benefits. And the next benefit, what is the next benefit? Build your positions in your favorite stocks and build your long-term portfolio. That itself tells everything, right? And what is the next thing? Boost your dividend shares. So 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 let me go deep into this. Okay, for dividend investor, a stock market can be a great way to increase the number of shares you hold in these assets. Right, whenever there is a stock market crash, you can build your positions uh, in a dividend in a dividend funds. Right, so because let me go deep into this. Because your payout is based on the number of stocks you own. So the more number of stocks you buy when there is a stock market crash, your dividends are gonna keep on increasing, right? Plus, uh, because your payout is based on the number of shares you own, the bigger the payout out is in the offering, and when you buy more during the downturn, and consider looking at a stock, don't cut their dividends when the things are tough. Dividend aristocrats can be a good choice since these are the companies that have actually raised their dividends each year for last 25 years, including the recession years. Add more shares during the dividend portfolio during a market crash, and you can reap the benefits from the increased payouts for the years to come. So basically, guys, like when you have a dividend portfolio, and and um, and you want to keep on adding the shares when it is going down, the stock market is going down, and you're building up your dividend portfolio, and basically you can get more profit, right? And what is the next benefit? Even the the index funds, they're on discounted. So I mean, when the stock market crash happens, the whole market is going down. Even the index funds, which you've been trying to, I mean, like you can see, the SPY has been going up, up. So when the stock market crash comes, the SPY pulls it back. So that is a really good time. Like if you don't want to stay and put investing, or if you're really busy and you want to just put it on index funds, a stock market crash that allows you to put money during the stock market crash. You can just put the money in. So what is the next benefit? You are all well positioned for a recovery, right? Whenever the stock market is there, you know for sure it's going to recover, right? Like that is, I mean, it's not going to always keep going down. It's going to come up, right? So that means it you are already buying. Like let's just say they keep telling dip. That's what is happening last few weeks, right? It's been dipping, but you're buying it. But the best thing you're doing is you are averaging, you cost averaging your portfolio every time. Yeah, you took some losses on some of them, which really, I don't consider. If you think about the long term, it's not really loss, because you can claim it next year, and the time you make a lot of money, I mean, maybe you can just offset this thing and you'll come out greener. That's what I told you before, right? So that is the best thing, right? So you are well positioned for a recovery after a stock market crash. So in general, the market recover after a stock market crash. As long as you don't sell during the market crash, locking in your losses, these are the good chances you will see solid appreciation later. As a result, during a stock market crash, when the prices are low, you to get more shares and cost average the spend. The more the shares you have, the larger return during the subsequent years. Buying during a stock market crash be a solid way to potentially boost your portfolio for the future wealth. Here are some strategies you can use to prepare for stock market crash. When set aside a bargain hunting, rebalance your portfolio, and modify your bucket strategy to build cash. So guys, thanks for stopping by and watching our videos. I hope you found some value in our videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and share. That will be really helpful, guys. That will grow our channel really good, and we always pray for everybody in the stock market to make good money, and please don't forget to be good to each other and help each other. And remember, let the beat go on. Boom, boom, boom.